Hi, I'm Greg Scoggins, Sales Engineer and Territory Manager for TechStar. I'm also the Food and Beverage Industry Specialist, and I want to take a minute to explain how TechStar can help you solve your company's measurement, instrumentation, and automation challenges. For over 20 years, TechStar has helped thousands of customers in many industries, including food and beverage, make their operations safer and more efficient. TechStar represents some of the best manufacturers of instrumentation for measuring tank and silo levels of liquids and bulk solids, pressures, temperatures, flow rates, liquid and gas analyzers, fixed gas and flame detectors, control valves, display and control panels, and much more. We understand you need help to select the right instruments for your applications, someone to install and service them for years to come, and someone to provide training and support. TechStar delivers all these services to our customers, and we can do the same for your food and beverage company too. Whether it's sanitary valves, CIP, or 3A compliance, TechStar speaks the language of food and beverage. Contact us today, and we'll provide the same world class service and value to you and your organization. I look forward to speaking with you soon.